Psalm 51 verse 10, Create in me a pure heart, O God, and renew a steadfast spirit within me. Isaiah 40 verse 31, But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles, they will run and not grow weary, they will walk and not be faint. Psalm 42 verse 2, My soul thirsts for God, for the living God. When can I go and meet with God? Habakkuk 3 verse 2, Lord, I have heard of your fame, I stand in awe of your deeds, Lord. Repeat them in our day, in our time make them known, in wrath remember mercy. Lamentations 5 verse 21, Restore us to yourself, Lord, that we may return, renew our days as of old. Matthew 5 verse 6, Blessed are those who hunger and thirst for righteousness, for they will be filled. Romans 12 verses 11 to 12, Never be lacking in zeal, but keep your spiritual fervor, serving the Lord. Be joyful in hope, patient in affliction, faithful in prayer. Ezekiel 36 verse 26, I will give you a new heart and put a new spirit in you. I will remove from you your heart of stone and give you a heart of flesh. Psalm 143 verses 7 to 8, Answer me quickly, Lord, my spirit fails. Do not hide your face from me, or I will be like those who go down to the pit. Let the morning bring me word of your unfailing love. James 4 verse 8, Come near to God and he will come near to you. Wash your hands, you sinners, and purify your hearts, you double-minded. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.